Lawn Care Tips, Essential Guide for Beginners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the world of gardening, specifically focusing on lawn care. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up your skills, this video will provide you with valuable tips to maintain a healthy and beautiful lawn. So, let's dive into the basics of lawn care tips. Before diving into lawn care, it's important to understand what a lawn is. A lawn is an area of soil-covered land planted with grasses or other durable plants. It's often found in gardens, parks, and around homes. Knowing the type of grass and soil in your lawn is crucial for effective care. To take care of a lawn, you need the right tools. Key items include a lawnmower, for cutting grass, a rake, for removing leaves and debris, and garden shears, for trimming edges. These tools help in keeping your lawn neat and healthy. Mowing isn't just about cutting grass. It's about doing it correctly. Always mow when the grass is dry, and keep the mower blades sharp. The rule of thumb is to cut only 1/3 of the grass blade length at a time. This helps in maintaining a lush, green lawn. Your lawn needs water and nutrients to grow. Water your lawn deeply but infrequently to encourage strong root growth. Fertilizing your lawn provides essential nutrients that might be missing from the soil. Be careful with the amount and type of fertilizer used. Weeds and pests can be detrimental to your lawn's health. Regularly inspect for and remove weeds, and use natural or chemical treatments for pest control. Remember, prevention is better than cure, so maintain a healthy lawn to minimize these issues. Lawn care varies with seasons. In spring, focus on mowing and fertilizing. Summer requires regular watering and weed control. Autumn is the time for aeration and possibly overseeding. Winter is less intensive but still requires monitoring. Taking care of a lawn may seem daunting, but with these tips, you're well on your way to having a beautiful garden space. Remember, regular maintenance is key. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.